Hey everyone, Hidden Abilities here, and I just want to go over one thing really quick before I actually get started on this, and that is my videos are not gonna be professional. They are not. Like they're just gonna be completely randomly thrown out there and unorganized and all that probably too. But anyways, I just want to go ahead and say welcome to the video series, web programming, non-IE friendly. But there's going to be workarounds for the Internet Explorer version, like, well, actually, all you're going to see if you're using Internet Explorer is a batch of text that says your browser is not supported, which is fine. I mean, it helps people, find browsers that are. It might be Internet Explorer 9 friendly. I don't really know, but the web programming things that I use are for Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, all the popular HTML5 browsers and CSS3. Why, I don't know. But I never was able to get lucky enough to have stuff working for Internet Explorer. So, anyways, let's begin. I'm using Ubuntu, the latest version, 11.04. Sorry, 12.04 LTS. Anyways, the program I'm going to be using is Gedit. You can use whatever program you like. For Windows, if you're using Windows and watching this video series, I recommend Notepad++, which you can also get on the latest Wine 1.4. Probably work really well with that. I'm quite impressed with the new Wine. But anyway, continuing on. Yes, they actually did release Wine 1.4. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. This episode is just going to be about setting up a basic HTML document. So in between those little greater than, less than signs, type HTML, and then press tab for space. Now let me go ahead and show you the Gedit settings I have if you're using the same thing. Go up to Edit and go to Preferences, and over in the editor I have tab width set to 4, and I checked Enable Automatic Indentation, or indentation. Sorry. So yeah. Oh yeah, and what you want to do now is go to View, go to Highlight Mode, go to Sources. I think it should be here. No, it's not. Actually, it's in Markup, isn't it? Yep, it's in Markup, and then select HTML. Okay. Now this begins an HTML document, the HTML in between the greater than, less than signs. And this is the header where you can put the title, my title. This will appear right here. See how right here where it says about blank? That's where the title will appear. Link. Let me explain what this is. We're gonna link to a CSS document. So go to New, and just save it as, and then hang on. Desktop. Go to my website, and then name it Style. Name the CSS part Style. Oh my gosh! Stop doing that. There. Style.css. Okay, and link rel equals style sheet, type equals text/css, href equals style.css. Sorry, I lost train of thought for a second. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna link you to your document, or your CSS document. And then see how I have a / here, and with the title as well. That ends off the thing. So see title and end title, head and end head. That ends off the header. You can space this a little more if you want, and then make it look a little bit more easy to read, which is what I like to do. And then go about 2 lines down again, and then here's the body. Oops. Here's the body. The main content of the HTML document. Text. Wait. Indent this text. Oops. Now it ends off the body, and this ends off the HTML. And name it index.html, which means it's the main page. Now go here, open it up, and you can see text. You see text. Why do you see text? Because we type text. Okay, so now on the style, let me go ahead and explain how to change the background. Type in body, and then a bracket. Like, I don't really know what you would call that, but I'm just gonna do this. Well, can you do it like that? I don't know if you can. I'm just gonna do it originally like that. So you can change the text color by typing color red, for example, and end that off like the closing bracket. Yep, and the text is now red. Okay, so you change the background, number 555. A number, okay, let me explain. This is hexadecimal. You can also do this, which I'm going to be using this because it's a lot easier for everybody else to understand. RGB, and then let's do 150, 150, 150, 150, comma, 150, comma, 150, comma. Or no, without the comma, the last one. Or you can see it. Save it, and there you go. But that's blinding and like eye destroying, but you can do white. And again, you can also do hexadecimal here or RGB. So let's do yellow, which, okay, let me explain this if you don't know it. This is how much the red value is, and the maximum is 255. Red, green, blue. You know, they all mix together to form. So, okay, it's just for, okay, red and green obviously make yellow. See what I'm saying? So, you want to make purple, or you want to make a darker shade of yellow, or an orangish 150, and that makes it an orange. It's an orange. Okay, so, that's, okay, I lost train of thought again. Yeah, you can just kind of play around with this, and, ow, that hurts my eyes. Yeah, you can play around with this and find out different colors and stuff. See? It makes like a sky green. This is white. All of them combined make white. And zeros make black. So, because the values are nothing. So, alright, so now that I went through that, I guess I'm going to go ahead and end off this first episode. So thank you all for watching. And tune in next time. And we'll continue on with learning a little bit more about, well, web programming, obviously. I'm not in it today, am I? Jeez. Alright, guys. See ya.